Welcome back. So we got another tech video for you guys today. My name is Evan. If you don't already know, I make tech videos all the time. So go check them out. I also do a slight bit of gaming now. Kind of throwing that in there. This is the Galaxy 75% keyboard. This keyboard here is my favorite keyboard so far that I have made this in my career, you could say, of making keyboards and doing tech stuff. This has been my favorite because I know all the modifications I can do to it. It's been really fun messing around with it. The first thing I'd like to say I think I've had this for about a month now. The experience I've had with it has been so good. Like, the GK is a great keyboard, but it is nowhere compared to a full aluminum kit with just smooth switches and smooth. It's just the best experience. We got a sound test coming up so you guys can hear everything. I got some small things I still want to do to it, like the space bar still needs a little bit. It's got like a tick to it. Some other stabilizers have some ticks to it, but we're going to fix those. Other than that, this keyboard has been amazing. So the best part about this so far has been that it's the 75% layout. So we get these extra ones over here, these extra buttons on the side, and it's just like the full-size keyboard, but for the people that like the smaller keyboards, if that makes sense. It's the smaller layout for bigger, like for the people that still like their big keyboards. Second thing I like to say is it is weight. It's got some weight into it. Like, this thing feels good. I mean, this thing is super light. Like, I can carry this with one hand, but the weight difference, man, with just the size difference, I think I definitely like this version better than this. Also because, you know, it's not as hollow. Like, it's barely picking it up. Like, it's trying to, but it's not. It's just got so much more, you know, solid connection to it. It's so much better. Super solid. I give this keyboard kit without the software, I give it a solid 9 out of 10. The disassembly process is a hefty one. Now, obviously, a lot of the keyboards nowadays are very, you know, if they are made of aluminum, stuff like that, the more screws they need to, you know, stay in place and have that solid feel. But I don't like having to disassemble 12 plus screws each time I want to disassemble this thing. That's a lot. But other than that, like, the actual building process, putting it together and having it, you know, finished the way you like it was a treat. It was honestly a treat. So if you didn't see in the previous parts, this is a Galaxy 75% fully hot swappable, full aluminum keyboard. I put Gator yellow switches that are lubed. I also have the stock stabilizers because they're pretty solid. They're starting to wear out, so I need to start switching those out to maybe like some Durock ones. But other than that, and then this keycap set I found on Amazon for like 25 bucks. Man, this is great. This is so great. All right, let's get into the sound test. Let's hear how this sounds. Very solid. Now, if you guys want another keyboard build, let me know down below any keyboards that you think are really good, or if you want me to do a review on, let me know down below. I actually have a separate video. If you click in the top right, there is a link to the sound test as well if you want just the individual sound test. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want more of these and more tech videos, let me know down below by leaving a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!